Tim Moore here with TLC Floorcare, and if you've ever used one of these cutoffs, it's 1000 psi. It is a Hydroforce, and it's a cutoff for your carpet cleaning tools. But the thing about it is, though, as you work this back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, when you first get it, it's nice and tight. But as you work it a lot, this can wear and start becoming loose. And then if you lose it, because it is loosened up, what you'll find one day, if I can get it to stay put, there we go, is you'll be missing this one time and you'll never know it. This will fall off and you may find this, but if you don't have that and that, you're screwed. And if you lose this, you're screwed. This is almost useless unless you want to bring a pair of pliers and open and close this constantly. So first thing I do now from now on is I get me some Loctite, and I'm going to Loctite this screw in to where it's going to have more of a time coming out than it would normally. So that's what I'm going to do. Because I'm setting up some new hoses, I'm going to Loctite this screw on with some red Loctite. I use the red because I want it to be more permanent. You could probably use super glue, and that would probably do even better or something. But I'm going to use Loctite that red thing on, the little handle, less likely to lose it over time as it wears. Tim Moore, TLC Floorcare. Now, when all is said and done, it looks like this on the end of a carpet cleaning hose. So you can turn the water off, like so, and disconnect, relieve pressure and disconnect. You can have it on. And I like these blue quick connects because they are a lot easier on your fingers and your hands. They are female quick connects, but they have this nice, they have been blue and black, but we usually use the blue. Just matches the hose. This is some new hose we're trying. Interchange Brands DuraFit. This is new. We've never tried this before. It's a high pressure hose, supposedly 3000 psi, up to 270. So we will give that a try tomorrow. So there it is. All this hose, all that hose is ready to go with new connections. And we got a lot of vac hose. All right, anyway, Tim Moore, TLC Floorcare.